Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a box of baby items. Can I resell them? We're going to find out. I paid about $67 for this box, and it has multiple items in here. They are brand new condition, so we're going to see, is it really brand new condition? I got it from 888Lots. If you want to order from them, you can always click the links down in the description. And if you live overseas, I have a couple of sister companies that are associated with 888Lots also listed down there. So let's go ahead and get inside this box and see what we find. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, the magical part. Opening of the box.
Just like Christmas morning.
Just like Christmas. I pretty much live Christmas morning my whole life.
Every day.
Oh, I see Hatchimals. Hatchimals.
It's amazing what they'll put in a baby one. Yeah, we sold a gazillion of those suckers,
Yeah,
didn't
these
we?
are cool, though. I like these. All right. Then we've got 5-star Dragon Ball Z. These are selling for really good. We have these bigger decks that are selling for really expensive, and we send them into Amazon. Stay tuned to the end of this video, because we're actually going to price everything and tell you where we're going to sell it. So stay tuned to the end. All right. Ooh, more Hatchimals.
Looking more like a toy box than
I know, I like it.
Than a baby box.
Kicking Horse Coffee.
In a baby box.
In a baby.
You need some kicking horse coffee for your baby.
Listen, when you got a new baby, you need some kicking horse coffee.
True that.
Oh, we got some more Dragon Ball Z.
There we go.
Yeah. Football Heroes. Philadelphia poker-sized casino quality Football Heroes playing cards.
That's nifty.
Who's on there?
Football players.
Steve Van Buren, Ron Jaws Jaworski, and Randall Cunningham.
There you go.
Those are the ones on the front. So that's kind of cool. So if you are a Philadelphia fan, here you go. I got a deck of cards for you right there. Then we've got Wizard card game. I feel like I want to buy more baby boxes if they look like this.
Know.
I love this. It's really hard to find toys. So, and then a random wolf. Timber wolf.
Very important to have.
Yes. Go fish yourself. That sounds so bad. Go fish yourself.
Beware of the pears.
Beware of the pears. Ooh, this looks like...
Not sure this is
not...
for babies.
No. A devious card game that lets you inflict absurd and hilarious challenges on your friends and frenemies. I think this is the adult version of Go Fish.
Yeah.
All right. Then we've got little kid tattoos. Like the little water stick-on kind. What is this? This is some sort of a apparatus. A multi-stand. Ideal
for like toy collectibles, probably.
Dolls and figurines.
There you go. Yep.
So I have to stand for that. Ooh. Hey, they said you have to wear masks everywhere.
Just walk in like that.
Yep.
That would be awesome.
That would be fantastic. I've got my mask on. Keep life fun, hacky sack.
Hacky sacks.
The professional kind.
I remember hacky sacks.
Yep. This is an awesome box. I love it. Okay, this is some sort of a 28-inch cupcake party Mylar balloon. My guess is there's a hole in it. That's just my guess. Well, here's another one of these doll stands.
Yeah.
Fire Rescue Blaze.
Well, this is a great box.
This is a fantastic box.
Yeah, I would have labeled this toys. Maybe it was babies and toys?
Maybe. Well, it came in a set of 4. What are these?
Magic
these are
the Gathering?
Magic the Gathering cards.
Protective sleeves.
Protective sleeves. Okay.
Yeah. Well, do they have cards with them?
Nope. It just looks
really.
like
100
standard. It fits 100 standard gaming cards, but
sure.
It's clear on one side, and then it's got this cool.
So it'd probably work for any game.
Yeah. Then we have another wolf. Oh, I really wanted to do that last time, but decided to wait. And then there was another one in here, so therefore
You're
I did.
amazing, Heather.
All right, then we have Mulan Roti, Histories,
Images,
24
image
images
projector.
to tell wonderful stories. Huh.
It's like a flashlight that projects the little images.
It's like, what are those called? The Viewmasters?
Yeah, but you shine this on your wall.
I know, but it kind of reminds me of those Viewmasters.
Kind of does, yeah.
Yeah, and there's a couple of them. Look.
That's a clever looking toy.
It is.
That's more for a baby, small child, so that makes sense.
And then we have a horsey and a little baby horsey in there. Little baby, and then a regular horsey.
Yep.
Oh, now this makes sense.
There we go.
Yep. Anti-colic bottle.
Very handy.
Yep. What is this? Baby infant elbow. Their elbow pads.
For their crawling.
For the crawling. Or knee pads. That's awesome. Listen, you just need to toughen up, kid. You don't need no elbow pads. All right, here is another stand. Oh, we've had these before.
Yeah.
The vibrating
We
teethers.
sent that to Amazon last time.
Mm-hmm. So we are going to actually price everything at the end. So make sure you stay tuned. Well, we've had this before, too.
That went to Amazon also.
Mind your P's and Q's.
Isn't that amazing?
I think it's hilarious. All right, then we have, what is these? Stainless steel fork and spoon combo, little baby size fork and spoon combo.
Okay.
It says, aw, Mia the lamb, natural rubber, so it's safe, little squishy toy. That is the cutest little lamb.
It is.
I like it.
Teething toy.
Mm-hmm. Then we've got, these are potty covers.
Yeah, I can see why now they labeled this baby box.
Well,
we just
but
had to get to it.
Yeah, I like all the toys on top.
I love the toys on the top of it.
It's really hard to find toys right now. So we'll potty cover. Oh, I think, didn't we have something like this before? Fashion flower bud.
Ooh, cool.
It's basically, it'll project on the ceiling and stuff and around the room. So
kind of a cool nightlight. Yeah.
Okay, then we have, this is definitely not for babies.
Laser maze.
Laser maze. Science logic maze for juniors. It looks like it's for more than one player, ages 6+.
Cool.
Trying to see.
Very clever.
So that will probably sell well. Okay, then we've got, what is this? Oh, another Dragon Ball Z card game. Then we have, what is this? A tractor! Oh, it makes noise. Hold on.
Sounds like a tractor.
It does. Sounds just like a tractor. I guess we gotta let it just die. Because it's on a timer or something. Oh, it turned off already. Alright. Travel mug. Let's see, which kind of a travel mug I will be keeping for myself. No, I won't. I'll save it. It's one of those Arctic ones. Ooh, this has grippies on it. Look at that. Batman.
Look at that.
It's super rubbery and grippy. I love that. That's sweet.
Does it have the Batman logo on the tag?
Yes.
That is cool.
I like this. This is sweet.
Yep. That'll go real well, I bet.
It looks like it's stainless steel. I don't want to open it because it's not been opened. Travel mug. Batman travel mug. That's
Somebody's
awesome.
going to geek out on some Batman stuff.
Know. That's a nice travel mug, too. Because I always lose grip on my travel mug sometimes. And so that one's nice because it's nice and rubbery.
It's like something that's spilled in the box. Did you notice that?
What? Inside the box?
On that side?
Oh.
It's kind of nasty. But
was it in that mug?
Doesn't look like... Is it still wet?
Yeah. I must have... It's not?
No.
Yeah,
Don't know
you're
what
right.
It was. Looks pretty disgusting,
like
but there's nothing on there.
Oh, we sold these on the fire sale before.
Yes, we did.
Mm-hmm.
Either fire sale or we sell them on Amazon. I can't remember right now, but still, those were good.
So there's a little separated spoon. Oh, here's a little set of bamboo spoons.
Absolutely.
And then here's another dish one.
Very good.
Then we have, ooh.
That looks better.
Yeah. Then we have, the take and toss cups. These were awesome.
Yeah, they do.
We took these all the time to friends' house because if we left them there, then they weren't very expensive. We just could throw them away. So these were really handy to have. I should just keep some at my house just because we get toddlers over all the time.
Yeah, we do.
Some more of those bamboo spoons.
Cool.
And then what's this? Is this another This is another Batman travel mug.
Awesome.
We got 2 of those.
His and hers.
Yep, there you go. And this is a nifty look. This is called a Juju Bee Mini Be Right Back backpack. Travel friendly. Okay, I'm going to pull this out. I want to see what all it looks like.
It's a tiny little backpack. It's a backpack.
It almost looks like a little crossbody purse. You know, like that my daughter would carry around. It's a miniature backpack. Let's have straps that go on it. Let me see. Yeah, it's got straps. It's basically... It
almost looks like a lunchbox.
Yeah, it's a cooler pack. What's in here? Little pocket there, and it has a little pocket here. Look at all the little... This would be a cute little crossbody bag, because it's just got one big long strap. But you can put the strap through to make it a backpack style for like a little kid. So
cool.
That's super cute. I love
Have
that.
your toddler carry around his own snacks or her snacks.
That's the way to do it. Listen, I'm not carrying your stuff for you. You are
right.
1.5. You need to start pulling
Get a
your
job,
own weight.
kid. Get a job.
All right, we got a couple of those. And then what is this? This is a Tawny Tippy. Love your baby and yourself. Here we go. This is better. 3 newborn baby bottles, 0+ month, extra slow flow. And then I think this is the same thing.
Yep.
Yeah, this is the exact same thing. And then what is this? Food drink thingy. It literally says drink thingy on it. See? Drink thingy.
Sure does.
I want to see what it is.
Is that an attachment for a stroller?
I don't know. Hold on, let me see. It's a car seat cup holder.
There you go.
See? You can kind of
attach that to the car seat. Now you got yourself a cup holder.
A cup holder, yeah. Which is handy. We loved the car seats that came with cup holders.
Yep.
Because then they didn't keep dropping their cup on the floor. So
as often.
It's a drink thingy. Literally is a drink thingy.
Very well named.
We're actually going to go through every single thing that you see on this table. We're going to price everything. If it's going to go to Amazon, we're actually going to send it to Amazon today. So that will be gone. But then you'll be able to know where we're selling everything else. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And poof, it's priced. It happens that fast. No, it took us about a half hour to get this all done. But we want to go through each and every item and how much we're going to make on everything. And then we'll give you the numbers. So a lot of this is going to go to Amazon. And so this is the price we're going to get after fees. So we've taken off how much it's going to cost to ship it and after fees. So Hatchimals, we're going to sell them the fire sale at $5 a piece. The little tiny mini backpacks, which are super cute, $15 a piece. They're actually going for $40 online. So these are $15 a piece, brand new. This cool wizard game is going to go $5 a piece on the fire sale. Then we've got this set of horses, $5 on the fire sale. This doll stands, $5 a piece on the fire sale. There's 3 of them. And then we've got the Batman tumblers. We could have sent them to Amazon. We just chose to keep them for you guys for the fire sale at $10 a piece, which is much cheaper. You can get them online. And then do we want to come down here? Yeah. So these are the Magic the Gathering sleeve holders, $5 a piece for those. Tattoos for little kids, $5 a piece. Then we've got the cool mask. It's actually called a Mardi Gras mask, $5 a piece. Then we got the little tiny kid spoons, $5 a piece there for the fire sale. These are going to go on the fire sale at $15 for the set. So we'll sell the plate, the spoon that comes with this, and the extra spoons for $15 together. Then this cute tractor is going to be fire sale as well for $10. Then we've got these take and toss. We're going to sell both of these for $5 together. And then this cool laser maze was actually selling for quite a bit online. So we actually downsized the price for $25. It's going for around $50 online. Then we're going to wander up here to all the Amazon stuff. So this is after fees, remember? So this fashion flower projector, night light, $10 after fees. Then this was the drink thingy, the drink attachment for the car seat, $9 to Amazon. Then we have this cute little lamb, $12 after fees to Amazon. The potty covers, $2 to Amazon. We pretty much decided to send those in just simply because baby stuff, it doesn't sell super well for us. Then we've got this set of bottles. We got 2 packs of them, $6 to Amazon after fees. Then also another set of bottles, $8 for those ones. Then the
Wolves.
The wolves are going to be $8 to Amazon. Then, of course, the chew toys, minding your P's and Q's, $6 to Amazon. The vibrating teether, $12 after fees to Amazon. Then we've got this. This is the Philadelphia Heroes playing cards, $5. Then we've got 3 sets of these. Those are the flashlight
story flashlights. Yeah,
$18 after fees and Amazon times 3. Then the Dragon Ball Z, $10 to Amazon after fees. And then this is the Blaze diecast truck, $22 after fees. That was actually selling for quite a bit. And then these items here are not going to be sold.
Yeah, that's what was spilling in the box. The goo
coffee
was the coffee got wet. So
yep.
That was less nasty, but still.
And then we're too afraid to sell the balloon, and then the other game is not going to be sold. So after we add everything up, we end up with Amazon coming out to $212. And the reason why I'm taking a little bit lower price on some of these Amazon items is this is one less thing I have to ship. I throw it all in one box and ship it together rather than shipping 20 items. Do you see what I'm saying? So it's worth my time to send it to Amazon. And it all has great sales rates. So $212 going to Amazon. And then Fire Sale comes to $180. And so that brings me to $392. Remember, I paid $67, and that's fully shipped for this baby item box. And so I actually come out profit numbers at $325. So hopefully it's been fun to see exactly where I'm going to sell it, how much I'm going to sell it for, and will I make profit? And of course I am. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! Hey, thanks for watching. If you're not yet a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you click that notification bell so you know every time I put out a video, which it happens to be every single day. So we're here for your viewing entertainment. And of course, if you want any of this stuff, you can always go to hookedonpickin.com, no G on the end, and be able to buy it right there. And so we have a lot of things for sale at hookedonpickin.com. Check it out so you can get all the good deals.